everyone, thank you for joining me. Welcome here. And if you're new here, you probably don't know my name. My name is Chelan and this is Spambam NY. And for all the subscribers that's always out there, welcome back and thank you guys for joining me. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make another beautiful birthday balloon bouquet. And for the materials, we'll talk about the materials here first. We have 260Q blue, 260Q purple. We have 5 inches silver right here, chrome, pink, so 11 inches chrome balloon. We also have our bobo balloon. This is 18 inches bobo balloon. Alright, so we will inflate our 11 inches balloon right here. So for this particular bouquet, we will use, instead of 4, we'll use 5 balloons on the first layer and on the second layer. So it will look like this, okay? Alright, so this time we will connect this together. So before we attach this together, we will use our water weight. So this time is a different water weight. I use one of the 11 inches chrome balloon. Fill this with water. So after you fill this with water, you wanna make a pinch right here. So after you do this, the tip right here, you fold it. And there goes your water weight. Put this on the side. So we'll work on this one right here. So arrange this, make this flat. So make it like this. And use the tip right here, one of the tip of your balloon. You put your water weight in the center. And just kind of tie it right there. On the bottom, your water weight is right there. So when you set this on the bottom like that, and then your second layer, 5 inches balloon right here. So grab one of the balloon right here, the tip or the end. Set this on here, and then tie it with your other balloon right here. Okay. So arrange it. So make sure this is gonna be going in between each balloon. So looking at the bottom right there, that's the water weight in the center, and then on the top right here. So that is your base. Alright guys, so this time we will inflate our bobo balloon. So again, you wanna stretch this. If you're new to this channel, this is how we do this. You stretch your bobo balloon so it won't pop on you. Inflate this and it will deflate again. Just like that, so it will stretch the material. So I'll hold it in place for like a second or two. So this time we will deflate this and we'll stuff this with our 5 inches balloons. Alright guys, so this time you will need your balloon stick. Stick it in your 5 inches balloon and then stick this here. And then after you do that, you will use your pump. 1, 2, so about 2 pumps and a half. And then after you do that, you tie your balloon. After I do that, I'll cut the tip. There's one. All right, so now we're ready to put the last two colors right here, 5 inches. Add a little air. There you go, guys. It's all in there. There's a total of 14 balloons in here, 5 inches balloon, 7 of each color. All right. There you go, guys. I like that. And then what we're gonna do is twist, and then you just have to tie this. There, I tied it right there. So now you can use your 260Q, tie it on here. There you go. And then put this on here, right there, guys. So put this in the center on top of your balloon. Shape it like a figure 8. Just like that. And then I'll wrap it more. There goes your bouquet. So now, this time we'll inflate our 260Q glue. Stretch this one, leaving a little on the tip right here. So we'll put this right on here like that. So we'll actually tie it on the balloon right here, the 260Q that we tie it with. Right there, guys. And then you wrap this, like, find the line right here. You want to put it on the line, just like that, all the way back in the bottom. Okay? So you will make a pinch. So right here, this is the end. So you want to pinch. So basically you want to put this on the other end of your 260Q. So right there. And then wrap this here. And then find the end. I don't know if you can see, but the end right here. Tie it together. Just gonna leave it there because we might use that later. So put this back on here, top of your balloon. Alright, guys, so there it is. It's already set right there. So now I will point this out to you guys. I'm gonna go closer to the camera right here. So as you notice that this one right here, because there's 5. So as you notice that there's 2, I put this in between the 2 balloons on top, and on the front you will see 3 balloons right here. So it'll sit properly on your bouquet right here on the base. Okay, just like that. So 3 in the front, and on the back there's 2. So I want the 3 so it covers the base right here. Okay. We will be using our either balloon glue dots or U glue dashes, so to secure this on our bobo balloon. In this case, I will be using U glue dashes. I noticed that this sticks much better, especially this is for a client, so this works much better. So I follow the line right here on your bobo balloon. That's where I'm gonna set my 260Q. Right there, guys. So the 3 balloons is the front side. Alright guys, so it's set right there. So now we're ready to put more backgrounds right here. So I have my purple right here. This is our 260Q. I made this into beads. So if you're new to this channel, you haven't seen how I do this one, so we have a different video tutorial that you can follow. Please check that out and you will see how we made this. And if you already been a subscriber, you already know how to make this, so we will attach this here. I will unroll this one and then never let go with the end of your balloon, your beads. So we will attach one here and one on the other side. So making this in between our beads, okay? So guys, as you can see on this side right here, I end up using 2 sets of balloon beads because it's not enough. So what I did is just I spliced another one and connected there. And you'll do the same thing on the opposite side. So as you can see here, I end up having extra balloon beads, so I just cut it off and make a knot and secure it with your glue right there. Alright guys, so the front is not done, so we will do the same thing on the other side. Like that guys, so we'll put more dots right there. So as you can see, side, so that's the back side and this is the front side. So remember our front side where there's 3 sets of balloons. Now we're ready to attach our number 10 right here, so we will put it right here. It tilts a little this way, so one is at the back, one is on here. Stick it right there. So I will use our glue dashes. As I said, we'll put it right there. So before we do that, we'll decorate some stuff here and we'll incorporate the blue and purple on our number 10 right here. And then this one right here. There you go, guys. Number 10. So far, looking good so far. There you go, guys, and we will also add this one right here. Again, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow, and please check that out, and it will help you make this one right here. So I will put this on the bottom here to accent the silver to our base. Alright, guys, so we'll add more beads right on here. So we'll put the blue in between. So the same thing, you never let go with your beads. And then I'll put this here. Now it's time to personalize this bouquet right here using our sticker right here printed from our Cameo 4. And there you go, guys, the bottom right there, you can see there's 5 balloons on the base, and on the second layer 5 on the side, the back. It's nice and sturdy, and see, you can even drop it. It's nice and sturdy, and balloon there, it will move. Alright, guys, I hope you like this video and learned something from this channel. If you're new, please subscribe to our channel, and if you're already been subscribed, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always here for the support. We really appreciate your support and all your comments. We will like to answer and read all your comments as soon as we can. So my wife and I are always checking your comments and thoughts, so please keep it coming. And thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and bye.